Looking to streamline B2B purchases and save time in your Magento 2 store? This video will show how it optimizes the ordering process for wholesale buyers. Magento 2 Quick Order by SKU simplifies B2B purchasing by allowing customers to quickly add products using SKUs, CSV uploads, or bulk entry. Customers can adjust quantities and select attributes before adding items to their cart. Store admins can customize the experience by specifying eligible customer groups and configuring products for quick orders. Instant Product Search allows quick product lookup by SKU, while quick product ordering enables adding multiple items at once. Customers can upload a CSV for bulk purchases. Smart Order Processing provides real-time validation and price adjustments, and advanced upload capabilities support Excel imports for easy data handling. Customizable order forms let users personalize fields, and Intelligent Group Management offers customer-specific pricing. Real-time inventory integration ensures accurate stock updates, while the dynamic pricing engine enables tiered and customer-specific rates. Order templates speed up reordering, and advanced search capabilities simplify product discovery. Order validation, features, and reporting and analytics optimize the entire ordering process. The list of top Magento 2 Quick Order by SKU extensions starts with Wyoming Quick Order. It offers CSV import and fast order processing from $152. Magento Quick Order features instant search and bulk ordering from $298. Land of Coder Free plugin provides SKU search and bulk orders at no cost. Malapal Fast Order enables quick bulk additions and real-time suggestions from $40. We hope this video has been helpful. Like this video, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on improving your Magento store's performance.